Nowadays, you can build the websites using different colors. So here you can see how you can produce different color in HTML document. So here you can say red, blue, green, yellow and different other colors. So there is a different way to defining the colors in HTML document, that is RGB format, RGBA format, in which you are defining the transparency and opacity, and you have a HSL format. So in this lesson, we will see about how to define all these kind of colors in our web pages. So in our HTML document, we will take one heading, that is H1, and in that we will take the style, that is background color, and normally we are writing the predefined color like red. So some colors are you can write with the name, that is red, green, blue, black, white, etc. And then I am writing some text here, that is color, and I am completing the H1 tag. So now when you save this program and run it, you are getting the red color. So this is what the simple way to defining the color. But you can produce many colors in HTML documents. So you have a different format for that. So we will see how to write in RGB scale. So here you have a color picker that you can find from the Google. You write the color picker and you will get this. So here you have a various color, and if you see your red color, what is the RGB value for complete red color? So you can see here it is 25500. So here you can say RGB scale, in which red component is 255 here, green component is 0 and blue component is 0. If you are talking about the green color, so here you will see in the green color you have a red component 0, green component is 255 and blue component is 0. And for the blue component you have a red component 0, green component 0 and blue component is 255. So you can give your red, green, blue components using any value from 0 to 255 and you can produce various color. So if you want to make any other color that you can see here, so you have to write the RGB value 60, 140, 158. So let us try it here. So we will just copy this, and now here instead of red we will write in a RGB scale. So we can write like RGB here, and then we will pass the parameter. So here you can say 60, that is red component, so you write the 60 here. Then you have a green component, that is 140, so you write 140 here, and blue component is 158, so you write the blue component 158. Save the document and refresh the page. So here this color is exactly same to this color. Now suppose we will try for one more color, that is red here. So you can simply write RGB, and then for red you have to give the 255 0 0. That means you have a 0 to 255 shades of red color, and you refresh the page, you are getting the red color here. Now suppose if I am writing instead of 255, I am writing is 100. You are getting dark red colors. That means you are going near to the black color. So if you are writing here suppose all 0, so you are getting the completely black color here. If you are adding all 255, that means if you are mixing red, green and blue with the full intensity, you are getting the white color. So you can see here your background of this is white here. So you cannot see it in the white page background. So using different intensity of red, green and blue, you can define various colors. So you have a total 0 to 255, that means 256 different red intensity. Similarly 256 green intensity, 256 blue intensity. So there are 256 multiplied by 256 multiplied by 256, that is over 16 million colors you can produce in the HTML web page. So here we will try one more color, that is 255 255 0. Once you are mixing red and green color, you are getting the yellow color. So you can see it in the browser. Now suppose if you want to write this color in the hexadecimal format. So you have another way to writing the color. So you can write the hash symbol and then you are converting this 255 in a hexadecimal format. So once you are converting 255 in hexadecimal format, you are getting FF here. Then for the green component also you are converting the 255 in the hexadecimal format, so you are getting the FF, and 0 converted into hexadecimal, you are getting the 00. This is the simple format with the 2 letters for the red components, 2 letters for the green components and 2 letters for the blue component. So 0 to 255 is taking the 8 bit and hexadecimal is taking 4 bits. So you have a 2 letter here. So once you are defining in this form, that is hash and your hexadecimal number, you are getting the same color to the previous one. So here we will refresh the page and you are getting the yellow color using hexadecimal format. Now suppose we will copy this and we will see how to add the alpha channel. So here you copy it and here you add the alpha channel. So alpha channel is basically for the transparency of the color. So you are adding one more value, that is between 0 to 1. You can write these things in percentage also from 0 to 100%. So once I am giving alpha channel, that is 0.2, that is having opacity factor 0.2. So you are getting more transparent color here. So you can see it here, your color in the transparent form of the our previous color. So you can produce here some more transparent shade so you can understand it easily. I am taking one more here and here I am taking something zero point 0.4 here, then I am taking 0.6 here, then I am taking 0.8 here and then refreshing the page. So you can understand, if I am giving 0.2, so it is more transparent, then I am taking 0.4, it is little bit less transparent. If I am taking zero point 0.6, it is even less transparent, and if I am taking zero point 0.8, it is become more and more opaque, and if I am taking 1, then you are getting the normal color, that is here. So that is what the opacity factors that you are giving from 0 to 1. That means if you are giving 0, that means it is completely transparent. We will also try with the 0 also. So if here I am taking 0, then you can see you are getting the white color. So here you can see you are getting the totally white background. So 0, that means completely transparent color, and if you are going near to 1, you are getting more and more opaque color. Now we will talk about one more scale that is known as the HSL scale. So here you can see HSL scale here. So it is using one wheel in which you have a 360 degree. So if you are taking 0 degree, so here you can say 0 degree, that is giving you a completely red color. So here you can see you have a completely red color. If you are taking degree around 120, you are getting the completely green color. If you are taking degree 240, then you are getting the blue color. So here in this scale, first parameter is your degree. That is known as the hue. So that is ranging from 0 to 360. Second parameter is the saturation. Saturation is nothing but percentage value of shade of gray, that is 0%, and 100% that is the full color. So here you can see if you are taking 0% here, you have a shade of gray here. And then once you are gradually moving toward the rightward and you are getting 100%, that is full color. So that is all about the saturations. So here you can see here. Third parameter in HSL scale is lightness. So lightness is just telling you what is black and white percentage value in your color. So if you are going here, you are getting lightness 0, that means it is totally black color. And if you are going upward, you are getting totally white, that is 100% here. So you can see here, if you want to produce color like pink, so you have to write HSL scale like this, and its hexadecimal you can see here, and you can also see the RGB here. So you can write any scale and you are getting the pink color. So let's try this here with all three scale. So we will copy it 3 times and we will try it with all three scales. So suppose here I am giving the RGB scale, here I am giving the hash code scale, and here I am giving the HSL scale. So I'll just delete this all things and then I am writing the values here. So for the pink color that you can see in the color picker, I have to write 158, comma 70, comma 155, and we will see in our browsers you are getting the color here. So let's try with the hexadecimal code. So here hexadecimal code is 9E. So we will write 9E46, that is the green component, and 9B, that is the blue component, and we will put the semicolon here, and we will save it and refresh the page. We are getting exactly same color. Now we'll try with the HSL scale also. So we will see here what is the HSL value. So you have a degree, that is hue component, that is 302, comma the saturations, that is 39 percentage. So you have to write in percentage here, that is 39 percentage, and you have a lightness, that is 45 percentage. So you can get the same pink color using HSL scale. So we will save this and refresh the page. You are getting the same color. Now suppose in HSL scale also, if you want to add the transparency, you can easily add the alpha channel, and in that you can pass the transparency here. That is also in percentage, so you can write the 50% opacity, and you refresh the page, you are getting your last color with the transparency 50%. So this is all about the colors in HTML document. So you can produce more than 16 million colors, and you can design your web pages beautiful and colorful. So this is all about the colors in HTML documents. Thank you very much. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.